This is Room Answers, and I'm Dr. Bookveer. I teach you how to control your joint pain so it doesn't control you. Now I'm here at the beautiful Black Canyon National Park in sunny Colorado. And it made me think of a question I constantly get asked, which is, hey, I have lupus. You told me to avoid the sun, but can I still go out and hike and swim and do all these outdoorsy things that I used to enjoy? And the short answer is absolutely yes. Now, I would just take certain precautions, which I'm actually taking myself, even though I don't have lupus, which is wear these long sleeve sun shirts. Even on a sunny day, you can get these thin sun shirts that will cover you and give you that SPF protection. Long leggings, any sort of long pants. Hat, you should always be wearing a hat. And I recommend actually not a baseball cap, but a wide brim sun hat. Sunglasses, and I'm wearing two types of sunscreen, both a regular sunscreen and a tinted sunscreen. So if you take these precautions, you can absolutely go out, go to national parks, go out in nature, and enjoy the sun.